If you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then this is the right video for you. So the very first thing we have to do, we have to go to the Facebook mobile application here, and we have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner here. And if you're using iPhone, then you have to click on the bottom right side corner. Okay, so after that we have to scroll to the down, and we have to click this option, setting and privacy. Then we have to click on the setting. Okay, and it will take a few seconds, just load and just scroll a little bit down and just try to find this access and control. Okay, and after that you can see that the second option, that is deactivation and deletion. So the very first option is deactivate your account for temporary, for a limited period of time, and the second option is delete your account permanently. So choose accordingly, and after that click on continue to account deactivation, and after that click on continue here, and here you have to enter the password of your ID. Right, and after that you will successfully deactivate your account for a temporary purpose. Right, and if you don't find this access and control or deactivation, you have to just uh, write here access on the search bar and control. Right, in this way you will find it. So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.